well, dry January. It is where people take the first month of the year and abstain from drinking alcohol. If you've been participating, you have about 10 days left. But some are saying the idea of completely cutting it out immediately may not be the best way to cut down on alcohol consumption.
Sales of alcohol rose during the pandemic, according to a new study out by scientific journal PLOS ONE.
All right, thank you so much. Need a receipt?
Which looked at alcohol sales in 14 states, including Arkansas. Sales of hard liquor rose 11% on average. Visits to the liquor store in Arkansas up by 60% in April, May, and June of 2020. With all of that drinking, some are starting the new year with a break. John Crow, owner of 107 Liquor in Sherwood, says it slows down right after the holidays.
I'm familiar with dry January. I see that in monthly sales trends. It's definitely our slowest month of the year.
Dr. Charles Chamblee with Baptist Health Behavioral Services says it's never a bad idea to reevaluate your relationship with alcohol.
If somebody were to stop using alcohol and replace it with something that was equally unhealthy, or becomes that obsession for them, then there could be a backfire effect to it.
Instead, Dr. Chamblee says to develop healthy coping skills for stress that's not dependent on a substance. Consider reducing the amount and replacing with something healthy. Always talk to your doctor.
The first thing to do is to establish some accountability. That's key in anything that you want to stop, any changes that you want to make.
There's also a growing market of non-alcoholic options. What was just one or two options has now expanded to even craft beers.
In IPA, non-alcoholic IPA, so one with flavor and hops. So yeah, the options are expanding.
Even non-alcoholic liquor, which he doesn't carry yet.
But I'm starting to have more requests all of a sudden, just within the last few months. And then people are asking about non-alcoholic liquors like they never have.
Crow says the key to anything is self-discipline.
That's how you kind of live your life, is in moderation. When you have too much alcohol, there can be a major downside to that. So yeah, I definitely encourage moderation.
And there's also a growing number of apps now to help you log your drinking and stay accountable. It even adds up the calories for you and tallies up how much money you may have spent, if you want to know.